Yes, good evening, good evening, good evening. All fine? Okay. Yes, good evening. So, yes, now ready? Third day was not uploaded, please. Okay. Yes. Okay. I will check. Okay, I will check today whether it was uploaded or not uploaded. Okay. I will see. Okay. If not uploaded, then okay, it will be uploaded. Okay. Now, so all ready for the questions? Yes, because today we need to solve some more questions. Okay. Yes. Someone is asking, sir, what is the answer of Sec 120? Okay, third class not uploaded. It will be uploaded. Okay, it will be done. Okay, done. Now I'm asking. I give some homework. Have you done all the questions? Some questions were given for the homework. Even I don't remember whatever. Okay, just I given some values here to find. Yes, you got out of that. Sec 120. What was the value of sec 120? Sec 120, what we got? I give you one value of sec 120. What we got? -2. Yes, -2, correct? Okay, everyone is saying -2 means yes. Okay, okay, good then. Good. Okay. Yes. Any other one? Any other question, doubt? Then we can go for next. -2 you are saying, na? -2, Sri Chandana. What you got? Tell me fast. Yes, Siri. Are cos 120 is -1/2. Cos 120 -1/2. You have to do for the sec. Sec you will just invert. Sec you will just invert, you will get the answer. Okay. Yes, 10 370. 370 I give you. I don't think that I have given 10 370. Yes, I don't think that I have given. Not possible 370. Okay. Randomly anything you are writing. Okay, now so I'm going for next one. Yesterday we discussed half angle formula. You remember that one? I told you, okay, some addition and subtraction formula. I said we need to remember for the sine a plus b as well as a minus b. These things we have done. Again I'm writing. I told only for sine and cos. And first I said that you will remember for sine and cos, then we can write for 10. Because 10 also we will use, but 10 not okay frequently using. We'll use sine and cos a lot of time. So sine a plus b, if you write now, then it was nothing but the okay, just for the sine a cos b, plus we can write it will be the cos a sine b. This was the formula that we had done. Sir, record the class. I think class is getting recorded here. Let me check once. Yes, it is already recorded. Okay. Yes, on another computer it is getting recorded. We can say sine a minus b here, and we can say that was the only difference is here in this one. That will be the minus, we can write here, cos a into sine b. Only difference we are having that sine is going to keep both together. Okay, already I said sine believes in the coexistence here, and you can say plus will remain as plus and minus will remain as minus here. Okay, we can say for cos a plus b, if I say, then you can write it will be the cos a, cos together, and then sine together. And one more difference is there, that here plus, this is going to be minus here. This already done. Then I can say cos of a minus b, if I say, then we can say it will be the cos a cos b, plus it will be the sine a sine b. In last class, these four formula we have written, and I hope everyone remember. Okay. Everyone remember these things? Okay. I need 10. 10a plus b and 10a minus b. We can see if I divide, okay, here, sine and cos, we will get the 10. Sine and cos, we will get the 10, okay. So now we can write here in this one, Ramcharan, what explanation you need? In this was the last class, we have done these things. Yes, Ramcharan, tell fast. Ramcharan also came to attend the classes. Yes, Junior NTR is missing. Okay. What do you need? It was the last class. This was the revision of the last class. I am going to write 10a plus b. I said that I will not write all the formula together. It will give you some stress to your brain. We don't want to give any stress. Easily we want to remember slowly all the things we want to do. Yes. Ask any doubt. Okay. Now I will write. This was also there in the 10th class. You recall or you forgot? 10a plus b. What was the 10a plus b? Yes. 10a plus b, everyone knows. Sine a, I mean say 10a plus b. I can just divide these, okay? This one and this one. This one and this one I will divide and I will get the answer. Can you divide? Okay, if you say I will do it in the separate slide, but here I am writing direct in this one. We can say that becomes 10a plus 10b, because first we need to remember here, divided by 1 minus 10a into 10b. Now you'll say, sir, how we got? I am just dividing sine a plus b. You can say here, okay, I will see in the next slide, I will divide here. I can say 10a plus b is nothing but your sine of a plus b divided by, we can say, cos a plus b. Just I am doing the division, and ultimately proof you will not do. No one is going to ask the proof. We need to remember and we have to use this one. One time I'm just saying here, so we can say sine a plus b is here what? Sine a cos b, plus we can write here cos a sine b, divided by, I can write here cos a into cos b, okay, plus or minus, minus sine a sine b. If I divide cos a cos b, upside also as well as downside, cos a cos b, yes, it is getting recorded, record ho raha hai, but suddenly this computer stopped here. What happened? This 1 minute. Okay, yes, no problem. Now, so what we can write here in this pen? We can write here in this pen that I will divide what I'm going to divide with, okay, I'm dividing with your what? Cos A, cos B in upper as well as lower, okay? Denominator and numerator, both I'm dividing with cos A, cos B. So we can write here one, okay, if you write here sine A cos B divided by, I can write cos A into cos B, plus we can write here in this one cos A sine B getting divided by cos A into cos B. We have divided here, divided by, we can write, okay, this was the upside, we have done this division. Then we can write downside cos A cos B, so we can write here cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B, minus we can write here in this one sine A sine B divided by, we can write cos A cos B. Again, proof only for one time. Later on we will ignore this proof. We can say here what it comes. Sine A, if you think here, cos B cancelled. Here we can say this one cos A cancelled. You can say sine by cos A is nothing but the 10A. Here we can say this is sine B by cos B, 10B. Divided by, we can write here in this one cos A by cos B. This whole term is what? Whole term is 1. Okay. So we can say 1 minus. Here we can say sine A by cos A, 10A. This one is sine A by cos A, 10A. This is the 10B. Array, sine B by cos B, 10B. So it becomes 1 minus 10A into 10B. This is the proof. But are we interested in proof? Means, As a mathematics student, you are interested. But now as a physics, we are not interested in this proof, okay? In this particular proof, we are not interested. We are going to use directly this one, and now you have to remember. Any problem in this one? One time how it came, just we have divided. Same way, can I get 10a minus b also? 10a minus b. Just guess what will be the formula of 10a minus b. You know 10a minus b formula, we have to just guess, okay? You can say a minus b means upside a minus b, downside also a minus b, sine a minus b, cos a minus b. Sine a minus b means upper side minus and lower side plus, upper minus lower plus. So everything remains same, only difference comes upside minus and lower side plus. Are you able to visualize this thing? That if I write the minus formula here, well, I cannot write proof of each and every one here. 10a plus b. So we have written here a plus b, here a plus b. Then I will write a minus b. So here we can say sine a minus b, cos a minus b. You know sine a minus b is what? Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. And here we can say cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is what? Cos a cos b minus or plus. Plus is there, okay? So upside minus, downside plus, and now same way we will do an answer we will get here 10a minus b, upside minus and lower side plus will be there. Yes, I will write directly, okay? So I'm going to write in the previous one that 10a minus b I can write here. So we can say 10a minus b becomes here 10a minus b, that becomes 10a minus 10b divided by how much? 1 plus 10a into 10b. I think you have done all the proofs in the 10th class. I think all the proofs are there, na? Okay. Only thing now we are going to memorize these things. Yes, Nilesh, your cap is very good. Okay. Yes. Can we go for 10 is not there, no problem. Now can we remember, means for the 11th class physics, this is the requirement, okay? This is the requirement we have to do. Now you have done earlier, whether it was the deleted syllabus, whether it was there or not there, doesn't matter. Now we have to do this thing, okay? If you want to go further, then we need to remember. Okay, either you remember right now or you will remember whenever that chapter will come. That is your choice, but you have to remember. Whenever we will use these things, at that moment you have to remember, either you have to remember. So it is better that we can remember now, because always early is better. If you start the things earlier, that is the best thing, okay? Now, can I tell some more things? Some more things? Okay, now I'm asking here, yesterday I told one use of this that we will use in the physics. Sine 2 theta formula, you remember? Sine 2 theta also I told. If I put here, in this one, A and A here also, okay? Cos 2A we can find A equal to A equal to B. A equal to B, then we can say cos 2 theta also, same we can write tan 2 theta also. So I'm writing 10 through here, but first, okay, I am asking, suppose you need to find value of sine 75. What we can do for sine 75, okay? You can say, sir, sine 75. You have to write given angle, whatever the given angle is there, in that format for which value you know. And you know that we know value for 40, I mean, so we can say for 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, up to this we know. Okay, so you can write this one like this, sine 45 plus 30. Someone is saying, sir, I will write 90 minus 15. Yes, you can write 90 minus 15, but 15 value you know. You have to write in that form for which you know the value. Two angles that you will write, you should know the value. Okay, 15 degree, you remember? We don't remember, but we can solve. Now we'll solve also, okay? So now, which one I will use here? This is the sine A plus B, and everyone knows this is the A plus B, sine A plus B. Everyone knows sine A plus B is what? Sine A cos B. Yes, plus cos A, sin B. So now we can see here in this one, we can write sin A cos B plus how much? Cos A into how much? Sin B. Okay. We can say sin 45 into cos 30, sin 45 into cos 30, plus we can write here cos 45 into sin 30. Any problem in this one? Sin 45, everyone knows, we can put the value 1 by root 2. Cos 30 each, probably root 3 by 2, I think. Cos 30. Okay. Plus we can write 1 by root 2. And this is your 1 by 2. Now we can say here it becomes root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Plus we can 1 by 2 root 2. And finally we can say root 3 plus 1 divided by how much? 2 root 2. Clear this value? Can we find some other values also, whatever? Okay, those values what we can need max to max, I will write all the possible values. Anyone having doubt in this? Can we do ASTC? I'm same thing you are asking, Ria. Someone also asked, can I do 90 minus 15? Do 90 minus 15 after 2 steps, then you will get the answer whether you can do or you cannot do. Whenever you are getting some okay, that whether can I do or cannot do that. Okay, do, and after that you will realize yes, I cannot do. Okay, sir, can we cancel here? Are which one you want to cancel? Which root? This root and this root? Yes, we can cancel something, but not here. Okay, here we cannot. And 1 by root 2. Where is that? Where you want to cancel something? I'm not getting what you want to cancel here. Sir, can we find sine 9 degree? Today how to tell that one, okay? This is the answer, okay? This is the answer, okay? Done, final, okay? Full and final, yes, this is the answer here. Okay. Today, yes, we will find sine 1, sine 2, small angle, how to tell. Just, okay, let me finish this one. Second step. Second step, this is the second step. Sine A plus B, we can write sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, sine A sine 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sine 30 1 by 2. Then I have written here root 3 divided by 2 root 2, 1 by 2 root 2. And which one you want to cancel? I'm not getting any clue which one you want to cancel. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Any problem here? Okay. Will you find next one? Next one. Okay. What? Okay. Whoever asking, sir, can I do? Okay. One thing I'm saying again. If, okay, you want to do that. Okay. If answer comes, it means you are doing correct. If it is not coming, of course, whatever you are thinking, that is wrong. Okay. In this 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, how I can cancel this 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2? Which logic going on? You are saying, okay, no problem, I will cancel. Cancel, okay? Happy? Happy, cancelled. But answer is this. Yes, this is the answer, okay? If you want, I will cancel whole. Cancelled. But answer is this, and next question you have to solve. Okay, next question you are going to solve. Ready? Can you solve like this? Hand. Okay, and you cannot cancel anything irrelevant. Okay, you cannot cancel. I have undo here, but in exam you will have undo. I have undo here, but you don't have undo. Okay, I can cancel one more time also, and then I will do 1 time, 2 time, this undo, this undo. Now same. In exam, you don't have that undo. Okay. So next question is for you. For you. Okay. And this is cos 75. Give me the answer for this one. cos 75. Same way you will do, same way, okay? And don't cancel anything, okay? Same way you have to, same method you have to follow. Tell me the answer fast. Yes, Pawan Sai, what is the answer? So excited, just disappeared now. Fast. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 given by Pawan first of all. Very good. What others are doing? Do it fast. Second answer by Harsha, third answer by Tejasvi, fourth answer by... Now so many answers are coming. So... Yes. Nilesh, doubt is there? What is that? Any doubt? Nilesh, or you got the answer? Tell fast. Okay, so many answers are coming. I'm not able to read the names here, but whatever you are giving, that is correct. Ria, not same as before. Same as before, exactly same as before? Exactly same as before, or some changes are there? A method is same as before, but answer is this. Now we'll write, we can say this one as a cos 45 plus 30, cos 45 plus 30. So I create cos formula here. Yes, minus will be there. So now we can say cos 45 into, okay, cos 30. Listen, those who are having doubt here, okay, because next question again you have to solve. Ready? Cos 45, cos 30, cos A, cos B, minus we can write here in this one, minus sin 45 into sin 30. Yes. Then you can write here cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Are you clear? If I am doing any mistakes, you can tell fast. Here we can write 1 by root 2, and this is how much? 1 by 2. So we can say it becomes how much? Root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Process here we can say is almost same. Only difference is coming that minus. Of course, answer is different. Will you solve next? Are you ready for next? Next one. Okay, next. Okay, so I will ask one more question here. I have asked 75. Can you solve 1075 also? 1075, can you do? Of course we can do. If you're not able to do, you can just write sin 75 by cos 75. We got the answer. Yes, Pawan gave the answer also. Root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. We can do fast. You can use formula also. Using the formula, tell me the answer. Use the formula and tell the answer, okay? Use formula and tell me the answer, okay? Not by division. You can write 1075. You can write 1045, okay? 1045 plus 30. What answer is coming? Just one time you can use the formula. What answer is coming? We can do by division also. You already got answer. We can say this becomes 10a plus 10b, okay? So 1045 plus 1030 divided by, I can write 1 minus 1045 into 1030. Why I'm saying using the formula? At least we can remember formula, okay? So you can say in this one becomes 1 plus we can write here in this one how much? 1 plus 1 by root 3 divided by, I can write 1 minus 1 into, this is the 1 by root 3. Can I cancel root 3, root 3? Root 3, 1, this one, everything cancelled, answer remain, answer becomes plus by minus. This one cancelled. This root 3 also cancelled. This one also cancelled. Answer becomes plus divided by minus. Okay. You should have what can be cancelled, what cannot be cancelled. Okay, so now we can simplify this one here. It becomes root 3 plus 1. If you take here LCM, I have taken direct divided by root 3. Downside you can write here in this one root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3. Now can I cancel this root 3 and this root 3? This root 3 can be cancelled. Now this is the magic here. Someone will say, sir, you are cancelling this root 3, not this root 3 and this root 3. So we can say, yes, this root 3 cancelled. So root 3 plus 1 divided by how much? Root 3 minus 1. Okay. Same answer you will get by the division also. Okay. If you divide also, you will get the exactly same answer. One more question. Ready? Okay, let's have one more question, and I'm expecting that you will tell the correct answer without any irrelevant cancellation. Irrelevant cancellation, there is a rule for the cancellation. Okay, okay. Now, question is here in this one. We can say sine 15 degree. What the answer for sine 15? Same thing you have to do now. Some people got answer also. Tell me answer. I type the answer fast. No need to solve. Already you know the answer. This time Harsha have given correct answer first, and Mansa, and then Pawan I think got somewhat late. Yes, Jeshita. Yes, this side, what we are doing here, on this screen, people are chilling, I think, enjoying the life, doing any type of cancellation. Okay, answer came here. Yes, so we can see here in this one, what we can write, you can see, this is the sine 45 minus 30, okay? And again, you cannot write any other thing, okay? We can write this way, okay? Which are the known values. Then we can write after this here, this is the sine A minus B. And we know sine A minus B formula is what? Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Yes? This, okay, first one, Realme 5 also given the answer. So we can see here sine 45 into we can write here cos 30 minus we can write here cos 45 into sine 30. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Then we can write here in this one sine 45 1 by root 2 cos 30 we can say root 3 by 2 minus we can write here 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, and finally we can say, okay, and again this plus and this minus 1 by root 2 and this minus 1 by root 2 will not be cancelled. Will not be cancelled. Someone will say, sir, this is the plus 1 by root 2, this is the minus 1 by 2. Cancel. So we can say answer becomes here root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, LCM we can take. This becomes 2 root 2. Okay, ready for one more? One more. Okay, now you need to give me answer for this. Cos 15 degree. Cos 15. Cos 15. Yes, answer came. Very good. Very fast answers coming. So you got answer root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Okay. So now I can write here that this is the simply cos 45 minus 30. And I can write cos A minus B. Cos A minus B is what? Cos A cos B. Minus is there, so plus will be there. Plus, yes, answer is correct, Naveen. Yes, 100% correct. So now we can see here in this one, cos A into we can write cos B. Minus is there, so this will be plus. Then we can write sine A into we can write sine B. Just you have to put the values, and after some time, if you do little bit practice here, will you take more time in these questions? If you do little bit practice today, will you take 2 minute time to solve this or 1 minute time to solve this one? How much time you will take to solve these questions? I think you can say, but we can solve without pen. Can we solve without pen? Sin 75, cos 75. Because you can write 75 means, yes, 45 plus 30. 15 we can write 40 minus 30. Can we do? One more I can ask. One more. Yes, tell me fast. You are somewhat slow, I think. You need to be fast. I said we need to work on two things. Before you are, okay, you are jumping into the 11th, you have to get two things. Number one is the speed. Number two, accuracy. Accuracy will be coming with the time. But speed you have to, you know that how, why doctors like this? Have you seen that why doctors like this? Okay, what is this tablet? Yes. Paracetamol is written like this because doctors have to write so many things in so fast. Okay, any good doctor will not write like this, that okay, they will take that one page and then they are going to write like this. Okay, and then okay, all the things they are writing, they just write okay, this is there. They actually don't have time. Good doctors, okay, they write very fast. So speed is the most important thing. Okay, what are the values of sine and cos which we use frequently? Sine and cos value, I have told one table was there, okay, up to 90 degree, and this table you can find anywhere. You got assignment yesterday I sent, you got or still not received assignment? No, assignment didn't came. Maybe they were I think busy in some. I sent some of the questions. I think around 20-25 questions I sent, not received. Okay, I will check today why it is not coming. And okay, no problem. Today you will get solve that assignment within half an hour. Max to max half an hour you will take. Okay, not more than that. Then exam will be there. Okay, based on that we will be having exam also. I am asking here. Can you tell me the value of sine 105? Can you tell me value of sine 105? Yes, tell me fast. Answer. Anyone? This much time you will take? You don't have this much time. Yes, answer came. Answer came here. 105. This one we can write here in this one. This is the sine 90. Okay. Sine 90 plus 15. Can I write like this? Can I write? You can say, sir, I will write sine 60 plus 45. No problem, you can write. But sine 15 just now I got. Can I write 90 plus 15 also? Can I write 90 plus 15? Yes. Otherwise, you can do 60 plus 45 is also the option or not option? 60 plus 45 can we do? I'm asking yes. How you are doing? How you are doing? 60 plus 45 or using this method? Which method you are using? I will use that one only. 60 plus 45 or this one? Okay, some are saying 60 plus 45, some are saying this one. No problem, both are same. Okay, we will get the answer. Now we can say this is the your what? Sine 90 plus theta, because here we can revise ASTC also. It will be second quadrant, and second sign is positive or negative. In second signage, positive. Yes, very good. So we can say plus and 90 is there, and we know 100% it is going to be changed. 90 it will change, and it will change. So we can write here cos 15, and cos 15 already we have solved. If you don't remember, we can do, but we have solved here. If you see, okay, what the value of cos 15? This was the value of cos 15 we have done in the last question. So we can say this becomes root 3 plus divided by 2 root 2, and you all got the same answer. Yes? And we got the same answer now? So we can find. Now I'm going to tell you some more angles that we need to keep in our mind. Other than 45, 30, and 60, we have to remember some more values. And now 15, 75, 105, some angles can be solved using the plus and minus. All the angles can be solved. 60 plus 45, correct. Your choice. In physics, means in basic mathematics or physics, we have so many methods, not a single method. So many methods are there. Like if I say, can I find 25 degree, 28 degree? No, we need trigonometric table. So all the angle we cannot just find. Okay, we cannot find. We need table for that, or we can use, or they will give the values, or they will give angle so that we can find the values easily. Okay, it is not that I can find all the things, or you can find all the things. Okay, for that table is there, but that is not used. Okay, only known values, whatever I have discussed, these angles will be coming. Some more angles that we will see here. If I say here in this, okay, this is your one standard triangle, I can say. Okay, and in this one I can say this one is 3, this one is 4. So if I say this one is 3, this one is 4, then what is this one? Everyone knows this one is 5. This angle, when we are finding, this comes 37 degree, and this angle, okay, we know this is the 90. So what will be the upper angle here? Upper angle, we can say this is 53. Okay, when we construct this thing, it is coming. This triangle you have to remember. Can you remember this triangle? 3, 4, 5, 37, 53 should be there in your mind here. Okay, it should be there. Now we can write, if I ask from this triangle, should we remember what is the sine 37? Because these values we use a lot of time. What is coming sine 37 from this one? You know, sine 37, it is your always perpendicular divided by h. P by h we can say. So this becomes how much? 3 by 5. What you will say about the cos 37 then? Cos 37, that is going to be b by h. And you can say b by h is going to be 4 by 5. Triangle should be remembered here. 4 by 5. What will be the 1037? 1037 we can say that is your P by B, and we can say P always in front of the angle, that is your perpendicular. Whatever, okay, opposite to angle, that is the perpendicular. So we can say this becomes how much? 3 by 4. These values also we use. Anyone having problem in the 37? In 37, any problem? Can we? Yes, you can use, but right now whatever I'm saying, you have to remember. 37 we can remember. Yes, very good. Now same way we can write for 53 also. Okay, same way I can say sine 53. We can write sine 53 will be how much? For the 53 we can say that now, okay, this is the angle, so opposite side is the perpendicular. What do you write here? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. I can write cos 53. That becomes how much? 3 by 5. I think 3 by 5. 1053. Can you tell me now? 1053. How much? 4 by 3. Yes, this is the 4 by 3. Over. This standard triangle we need to remember. Okay. We can have some other also. Okay. Lot of things are there. I said that we need to do basic things, whatever we have to use. And this is the one 37 and 53 that we have to use frequently in a lot of chapters we will use. So can I ask some questions now? But I will tell one more thing, some standard triplet. What the meaning of triplet? 3, 4, 5. Okay, like I can say 3, 4, 5 is the one standard triplet. So I will write some more standard triplet. Triplet means basically your Pythagoras triplet, or we can say Pythagorean triplet. Standard triplet I can write in the next one. And what are the standard triplet? Basically we can write here that you have to remember standard triplet. Now you can say that why I'm saying that remember we can easily solve. Yes, we can solve, but you are doing squares. Okay, so we can 3, 4, 5 is the one standard triplet. Okay, meaning is 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. Okay, 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. That is the meaning of your triplet here. Can you tell me one more? 6, 8 and 10 means what is the meaning of this one? 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. Here we can say what is the meaning of this triplet here, that 6 square plus 8 square equal to 10 square. We have to keep in mind these triplets frequently coming. Next one, if I ask, then we can say 5, 12, 13. These two triplet we use lot of time. Somewhere in some numericals this comes 5, 12, 13. You know that suppose one side is 12, other side is like this. Coming here 5, this is the 12. You can say, sir, I can easily find. Yes, you can find. It will take time. 5 square, 12 square. When you know that this is the standard triplet, directly we can say 5, 12, 13 means we can say here. I'm not saying that you cannot find it. Of course, you can find these things. There is no problem. But our game is not about finding the things. Our game is about doing the things fastest. This is the thing. Another one, if I ask, we can say that one more important triplet is there. Like this, so many triplets are there. 7, 24, 25. One more is there. Okay. These two we will use in some questions, but these two we use regularly. 3, 4, 5 out of that we'll use a lot of time. Yes. Any problem in this one? So many triplets are there. I have to use these one frequently, because we cannot remember all the things that so many, like now we are starting the triplets and then we are going up to the your million and then billion, and every triplet of this universe we are going to remember. I'm not saying that you have to remember each and every possible triplet of this one. We are going to just keep in our mind those triplets which we use regularly. Okay. Not the whole triplets that today you said, no, I am going to remember all the triplets. It was said to that, yes, we have to remember triplets. And then whole night you are finding all the possible triplets and in the internet searching and then mugging up. No, not like this. Just very basic one. If you forget also this last one, there is no problem. You can remember this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 is just double of that. 3 double, 4 double, 5 double, and 5, 12, 13. That's it. Enough. Enough. Okay. Don't give more stress to your brain already, I'm saying. Okay. Can we go for next? Next one. Okay. Next. I will go. So standard triplet 3, 4, 5, 6 at 10. 3, 4, 5 we have to remember. We cannot forget. 3, 4, 5, 6 at 10. Okay. You are going somewhere in the market or outside. Okay. You can say 3, 4, 5. You can remember like this. 6 at 10. 5, 12, 13. That's it. 7, 24, 25. Enough. No, not more than this. Okay. All the triplets we are not going to mug up. Okay. 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. Yes, done. Okay. Yes, 3, 4, 5. Now everyone remember 3, 4, 5 is the standard triplet, and the angle also will be remembered. Yes, if this is your right angle triangle, we can say this is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 5, 37, 53. You are going somewhere, then you can say 3, 4, 5, 37, 53. But don't do this on road. 3, 4, 5, 37 and 53. Okay, now we can write here in this one. I am writing one formula here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to how much? 1. Can we remember this? Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Valid for all the angles, na? And this is valid for all angles or only for one particular angle? What do you say? For all. Yes. Okay. For all. Okay. Now, can you prove also this one? Proof. Proof. Yes, you can prove. I'm not giving the proof. Proof is very, very simple. You can do. Can you do? I'm not writing. Simple proof is there. Even if not simple also, you have to remember the identities. You can do. Very good. Someone is saying how. How here you can say sine theta, what I have told you, p square divided by how much? H square, plus we can write b square divided by what? H square. And you know p square plus b square divided by how much? H square. And everyone knows this is 1. This is the proof. But we have to remember, simple, we have to remember. Can you tell me what is the 1 plus tan square theta? Any 1 plus tan square theta is what? Tell me fast, if you remembered. 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Yes, very, very good. Those who remembered, and those who didn't remember, they will remember now. Okay. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Okay. Over. Okay. What are the sec square theta? Some people have doubt here that, sir, sec square theta is basically sec theta square is written as sec square theta. This thing is clear now? Sec theta whole square is basically written as so what people write here, it is equal to this one, sec theta square is equal to this one is equal to this one. Don't do this type of mistakes. Some people are doing these division mistakes also. Okay, not like that. Okay. And proof not required, I am saying. Okay, you are not in your board examination that you have to write the proof. Okay, 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta, can you tell? 1 plus cot square theta, what will be this one? 1 plus cot square theta, this is going to be your cosec square theta. Okay, now you will ask that, sir, which one we use most frequently? Already for that one I have marked, that is the sine square theta plus cos square theta we use most of the time, but somewhere in some questions we can use this also and we can use this also in some questions. Okay, some particular question comes where we need to use the identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to the cosec square theta. Mostly comes sine square theta plus cos square theta. So if it is appearing heavy to you, what we can remember at least today? Today we can remember what? If it is appearing very heavy, this one is very heavy, we can remember sine square plus cos square equal to 1. No problem. Then tomorrow we can remember 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Or suppose in the evening time, okay, you are going somewhere, you can remember 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta. So one more will be remembered. And then, and last one, okay, last one, if you want to ignore, you will not be able to ignore because third will be automatically remembered. Sir, when you will say graphs, I had to start today, but no problem. Okay, actually graphs are okay, relation of graphs are related with the your differentiation also how to use in some of the graphs. Okay, so all the graphs I will not tell. In some graphs I have to use differentiation also, integration also in some of the graphs. So those graphs will not complete, we will do at the last. Clear? Yes, Fasiha Banu, where is the difficulty in this one? I am saying na, ignore, just remember this, because this one we are going to remember most of the time. We are going to use this one most of the time. This one is easier. And this one is optional. We can remember, we have, okay, 3-4 months to remember this thing. At least in 1 month can we remember? Okay. Listen, this one, here someone is having doubt. What the, okay, when I'm writing like this, listen, sine square theta. If I write sine theta whole square, then sine theta whole square will be written as sine square theta. Okay, it is correct. But if I write sine theta whole square, then this one is wrong. Okay. Yes, Sri Chandana, this one I am saying, okay. It is the sine square. It is the square of sine theta. It is not the square of theta. See here. Can I write like this also? Sine square theta square. Can I write this way? What do you say? Can I write this way also? This one I'm writing. This one write like this. This one write like this. Can I write? This is also wrong. Only you can write like this: sine theta whole square sine square theta. Clear? So never do this mistake. Some people do. Sir, square is there in both. And if square is there in both, then we will do here in sine square. In sine also we will do the square. In theta also we will do square, because we have seen where we have seen somewhere that it was written like this: xy whole square, and we did here x square y square. We did a square in both. We did a square in both. So they will say, sir, we have done a square in both here. So here also we'll do sine square as well as theta square. That method of writing is correct or wrong for that angle? Here can I do? Here can I do? Here in this one can I do? But in the angles, okay, method of writing is only this. Yes, Chandana, now tell. I hope your doubt is cleared. So if this is the sec theta whole square, so sec theta whole square, what I will write here? I will write this one h. This one I will write here sec square theta. Okay, not sec theta whole square and not as sec square theta square over. This term is clear. Tell me fast. You were asking, tell fast. Okay, can we go for next? And the next thing, next. And that is for all angles, okay? Means for all. This is for all angles, for all, okay? Means all these identities we can say for all. Add. If I write here that cos A plus B, then cos A plus B, you know, cos A into cos B minus of sine A into sine B. If I say A equal to B equal to theta, if A equal to B equal to theta, then what will be the answer? Tell me. If A equal to B equal to theta, then what answer you will write? You can say now it becomes so much here. Cos theta plus theta, that becomes 2 theta. Cos 2 theta becomes here how much? Cos theta, cos theta, cos theta into cos theta. And minus we can write sine theta into how much here? Sine theta. What I will write this one here? If you say this one can I write like this? Cos square theta square. Can I write it this way? I'm asking. If you give permission, then I can write. Otherwise, I will not write. Okay, everyone is saying no, so I will not write. And if anyone writes like this, what we will do? If anyone is writing like this, what we will do? Right now, we cannot do anything. Right now, we cannot do anything. But if we meet, then something will be there. Beats. Yes. No, beating will not be there. Okay. Beats is the one chapter in the physics. We'll have beats. Okay. One chapter is there. You know, beats, one important chapter, means we can say one topic is there. Very important topic, beats. Not the fighting. Now listen, we can say this becomes cos square theta minus sine square theta. Okay. I'm writing. I hope this one is clear to you. Musical beats, that same one. Okay. It is the important thing in the physics. We need to find the beats, high, low, all the things, difference. Yes, wave chapter. Any problem in this one? And who is saying answer is 1? Anything is going on. Cos square minus sine square is 1. Cos square minus sine square is 1. Who is saying? Cos square plus sine square is 1. Cos square plus sine square is 1. Okay. That was written here. That's why I have written first thing. Okay. Then remember this one only. If you ignore today these two things, no problem. Later on you can do in 1 month time take to remember these things. Now we got this one here. Cos square minus sine square. Of course, proof is not not required. I will not ask the proof. Okay. Listen, if I say sine square plus cos square equal to how much? 1. Sine square plus cos square equal to 1. So I can say in this one that one time if I write sine square, or I can write one time cos square. So we can say cos square theta will be how much? 1 minus sin square theta, and one time I can write here in this one sin square theta. So this sin square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta, and both the things I will put here. Okay, I will put here in this one. So let's see if I'm putting here. Yes. Array, which solution you want? Which solution? I cannot hear you. Array, you have to unmute yourself, then you can hear me. Listen, I can write cos square here in this one. Cos square. So what we can write here? Cos square. See, cos square, that formula 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. So you can say this becomes finally 1 minus 2 sin square theta, because we can say 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta is what? Minus 2 sin square theta. Clear? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. One more formula for cos we got. One more formula. Now you can say, sir, so many formula. Of course, you have to remember. That's why, okay, for 1 month, basic mathematics, even more than 1 month, basic mathematics would be there. Because once you are perfect in the basic mathematics, later on in physics, problem is not there. We can say, I can write here in this one next time, cos square theta minus sin square theta. I can replace, we can write minus, and here I can write 1 minus cos square theta. So we can write here, it becomes here cos square theta minus 1 minus minus plus cos square theta. So that becomes how much? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now, I have written 3 variations. Is there any problem in this variation? This one I can say your number 1 here. Okay, I can say this one is the number 1 here. This is the number 2 formula here that you need to remember in this one, and this is the number 3 formula here. Yes, tell me fast. This one and this one. You have to remember. I can write all 3 things in okay here. All 3 we can write together. I will write here. Okay, because ultimately we don't need proof. So very cos 2 theta I can write here in this one. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. We can write 2 cos square theta minus 1, and we can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Clear? Yes. Clear? You have to remember. Yes, Nishant. Can we? Or we can ignore? Are Tejaswini, what is the problem? Problem is that if you ignore these formula, then okay, physics is having little bit attitude also. If you ignore this thing, they will ignore you. This is the problem. If okay, why okay, physics ignore almost a lot of people. Okay, if you say 17 lakhs people will be giving the examination of NEET. 17 lakhs. Same happens in the IIT also. Okay, for the IIT or for the NEET. So if you avoid physics, but physics cannot avoid you. You have to do the physics. This is the problem. Physics will be there. If you avoid physics, 180 gone. 180 gone, selection gone. Selection not possible. If anyone is thinking that I can get the selection, I will not do physics and I will get the selection, chances are okay. Because if you are not able to do physics, then you are not able to do bio also, because in bio also physics is used. Lot of chapters of bio are there in which we have to use the physics. Physics, I don't like it, I avoid, but it likes me, I cannot avoid it. Yes, someone is sending dialogue here. Yes, KGF2. In bio, physics is there. And even your medical college, physics will be there. In medical college, when you will go, there will be the big expression. So much physics will be coming in the medical college also. Some people avoid physics here, but later on they have to learn. No, sir, not there. Who is saying not there? It will be there. Thermometer is one example, but I can tell you some more. Okay, when you will go for okay. I'm not saying in the your UG, you will go for the PG. Up to PG physics will be there. Bernoulli theorem I will tell. Poiseuille equation you can ask, is there any is there or not there in the PG? Okay, it will be there your whole life. Okay, who become the good doctor? Only those becomes the good doctor who know the physics properly. If they don't know physics properly, they can never get the good ranks. They cannot get the good ranks. They will not get the good college. They will not get the good college. They will not become the good doctor. Important. You have to do. You cannot avoid. Yes. Boyle's law in circulation. Okay. Okay. You all the time deviate me. I was discussing this that you have to remember, and then people are asking, I want to. So over this one, you have to remember this. There is no option of that. Okay. No option of that. We need to remember. Okay. If you want to get good rank, then you have to do. You don't want, you can avoid. No problem. So, and last class I told you one more formula here. There was the sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta already we know there is a 2 sine theta into cos theta. This one we have done. Any problem in this one? So you have only one option that you have to go through these two formula, and because we will use so many times, and when something we are using so many times, starting from the vector onwards, first chapter onwards, after the basic mathematics, next chapter that comes is the vector. We have to use these formula. Without that, we cannot cross. Vector, kinematics, so many chapters are there. These we will use cos and sine. Okay, right. Next one. A small angle approximation. A small angle approximation. Sir, once explain the 1 minus 2 sine square theta formula. Listen, we know this is the, okay, this one we derived cos square minus sine square. Okay, cos square minus sine square I have derived. I know sine square plus cos square is what? 1. This identity we know. We know this thing? We know na? Means I can say here, okay, that cos square theta, cos 2 theta. What are the cos 2 theta here? Cos 2 theta is what? Cos square theta minus sine square theta. We can write here sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I need to replace here cos square theta. So cos square theta we can write how much? 1 minus sine square theta. This value I have to put. So we can see here in this one cos square theta 1 minus sine square theta. We can write minus sine square theta, and finally this becomes how much? 1 minus sine square becomes 1 minus 2 sine square. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Yes. Over. Next. Over, finished here. Can we write next? Sir, is concept of physics book useful? All the books are useful for you. Time will come. Okay. Then when we have to read the books, this is the time to do the basic mathematics and enjoy. Get perfection in the basic mathematics. Later on, you will not have any problem. This is the time to get basic mathematics in your grip. Yes. Right. A small angle approximation. Okay. Right here, a small angle approximation. This is the topic that we need to do. Quite important for us. Some questions already I have taken. Some questions I need to take. In which chapter is this useful? Array. Write this. A small angle approximation. We can say here in this one that if, okay, listen. In this one, if I'm having here, okay, and this is my reference line. Suppose this is the reference line here. And in this one, if I'm making, okay, this is we can say center here. We can say this is the O, and suppose this point is P. And if you're moving here by some angles in this one, we can say if you're moving like this, okay, here. Now, if this angle is very, very small, we can say this point is what? Q, I can say, okay? This is the Q, okay? We can say this one is theta. You have rotated by how much? Theta. So we can say theta will be equal to how much? Theta. Suppose we can say this length. So this length, I can say this length is how much? L. And what is this one here? Radius? R. Anyone having problem? Yes, theta equal to, we can say it is the L by R. Is there any problem in this one? Theta equal to L by R. And theta equal to L by R is valid for a small angle or for any angle? Theta equal to arc by radius is for a small angle or for all the angles? Theta equal to arc by radius for all. I told you this one in the first class. And in first class, I said anything about the small angle? No, it is for all. Clear? For all. Okay, you can use for all. Okay, we can use this one for all. Clear? I used for one round also, na? 2 pi r for full. Okay, for anyone. Okay, yes. Not for small. Okay, for all angles. Now in this one, if I say, can you find triangle here in this one? Are you able to find triangle here? If I zoom it, can I assume this one is triangle? If this is somewhat large, suppose this angle is large. So okay, here we can say if I have to draw right angle will be like this. But in this case, if I draw, then you can say this will be your Q and this will be here, we can say your M. Can I say that this is your H? And H and L will be almost same if angle is small. If angle is large, then L and H will be same or not same? If angle is large, then this is your we can say, or I can say not H, I can say P here, okay, perpendicular. This one I can say here H. What do you say? This perpendicular and this arc length for bigger angle will be small, will be same or not same? We can say for bigger angle not same. Okay, means if I draw here in this one, that if this is there, if this angle is large, okay, it is suppose moving like this here, we can say. Now we can say that here, this line and this line are same or not same for the bigger angle? Not same, 100%? Yes. But if I take this one small, if angle is very small, like this is the angle, and if this is the angle here, then I can say if I draw here, then it will appear same or different. What do you say here? This will be arc and this will be your perpendicular. Both will appear almost same, not exactly same, approximately same. Means I can say for a small angle L and this is your P is almost equal to L. Do you agree with this thing? For a small angle, perpendicular is equal to arc length. But here, perpendicular and arc length will be same for bigger angle. Tell me first, for the bigger angle, this perpendicular is going to be same as arc length. No, but for the small angle, perpendicular and arc length are same. For a small angle, both are same. Can you say this one is the radius here? This is the radius now. So we can say this is the radius, but here this is the base. Base is equal to what? Radius. And here we can say this H, this will be your what? Hypotenuse. And we can say this H will be almost equal to what? Radius. If I say base will be almost equal to radius, but for the larger angle, can we say base equal to radius? For the large angle, can you say base equal to radius? Tell fast. And for the large angle, can we say base equal to radius? No, we cannot say for the large angle. But for a small angle, we can say base is equal to radius. H equal to radius. So we can say what? Base equal to H. Do you agree with these things for a small angle? For a small angle, we can say P almost equal to L. We can say base almost equal to radius. H equal to radius. B almost equal to H. Means I can say here that if we are having this is there, okay, and in this one if I say that we are having okay like this angle is small or large? Tell me fast. This one is small or large? This one is the appearing like very large angle, and if this is a large angle, then we can say that if you draw perpendicular here, now in this we can say this perpendicular and arc length is same or different? Then this is different, not same. It is 100% different. Visible? We can see here, this is the your arc length, means this is the arc length and this is the your perpendicular, not same. Okay, not same. Here we can say this is the your base. This base and this radius is same or not same? Base and radius not same if angle is large. Okay, clear? But if I make it small, if this is the small angle here, if I take this angle is very, very small, like this I can see here. Suppose this is the very small angle, then we can say, if angle is small, then we can say this is the your, what? Perpendicular, and this is the your L. Then we can say for the small angle P and L almost same. Yes, both are almost same. We can say here in this one, your base, this is the base, and base is also almost equal to R. Almost equal to R. Sir, visual appearance पर depend होना क्या? Of course, you have to see. We are having approximation. You know what is the meaning of approximation? Approximation does not mean exact. First of all, approximation is, suppose you give 100 rupees to your friend. 100 rupees given. Suppose given, and your friend is saying that 90. Okay, returning 98 and saying that I don't have 2 rupees and I am not going to return you 2 rupees. Will you fight for 2 rupees? Because 2 rupees does not matter for you. 2 doesn't matter. Okay, so you will adjust. This is the approximation. That out of 100, 2, 3 rupees. Out of 100, up to how many rupee will not matter to you? Up to how many will not matter to you? Up to, someone is saying 3, someone is saying 4, 5, 50. 50 does not matter. Okay, no problem. Sai is saying that 50 does not matter. Okay, so you can give me daily 100, I will give you 50. Morning you give me 100, evening I will return you 50. If it doesn't matter to you, daily, this will be good thing. What does not matter? Up to 5 rupees does not matter. Okay, friends, sir. Okay, then you can give to Nilesh also, no problem. Nilesh will give me later on. We'll share half. Okay, up to 3-4 rupees there is no problem. Clear, na? In terms of angle, what is the total angle in the circle? Up to 5% we can take a small, 3-4% or maximum 5%. Maximum 5% we can go as a small, but 5 rupees also matters because you can get one small that dairy milk I think comes on 5 rupees are not coming now. Lays comes, okay, whatever comes 5 rupees matter. What doesn't matter? 2 to 3 rupees does not matter. 2 to 3% very, very small. Maximum, what is the maximum limit you can go? Maximum limit is 5%. Maximum is the 5%. Okay, more than 5% of course matters. We will fight. Otherwise, people will make the business. They will take in morning and then in evening they will return 90 rupees. Each day will be losing. Only 1-2 rupees or max to max 5. So maximum approximation that you can take is the 5%, not more than 5%. Never take more than 5% approximation. How this rule in the life? Okay, anyone. You are giving 1,000 rupees. How much you can adjust? 1-2%. Okay. Be 1-2%, but max to max any of the conditions, circumstances are suppose somewhat bad situation, then you can go up to 5%. 5% of 1,000 is what? I asked very tough questions. Okay, I will be again coming back to this. Okay, so I can say for a small angle, this base is almost equal to base is small. Base is, you can say P almost equal to L, base is almost equal to R, H is equal to R. Do you agree with these things for a small angle? For a small angle. Now, if I say that what is the 4% of 360 or 5% of 360? 5% of 360 will be how much? Maximum limit I'm saying. Maximum limit, 5% of 360, can you tell me? 5% of 360, someone is saying 72, very, very good. Enjoy. Maximum is, but we don't, I said we will not go up to, I said up to 2 to 3% we take maximum. Okay, that is a rare case we will go. So a small angle approximation we take here in this one, I can say a small angle approximation we take up to 10 degree. Okay, theta almost equal to how much? 10 degree, means we can say theta up to 10 degree we can take, up to 10 degree we can take, okay? But suppose in any of the condition 11 degree coming, can you choose? For the 11 degree, can we take approximation? No problem, you can take, okay? 12 degree can I take? 12 also I can take? No problem, because 12 value you know, so you can take approximately, but of course calculation difference will be there. So we should not go beyond the 10, but when you don't have any other method, then we can go for 11 and 10, but difference in the answer will keep on increasing, okay? So we should restrict ourselves up to 10, okay? So we can say for a small angle, okay? Now tell me, for a small angle, tell me fast, P almost equal to L. Is there any problem in this one? Perpendicular almost equal to L. And we can say base almost equal to what? Base equal to R, base equal to R, H also equal to R. In these three things, if you have problem, tell me fast. Otherwise, game is over here. H is, yes, similar to R. H will be similar to R. No? This is the H, okay? So we can say this H is going to be almost R. This is R, this is also R. Base and H both are almost R. We can say from the figure, this is also R, this is also R. Not exactly, almost, okay? So can I say that B will be almost equal to H? B is almost equal to H? B is almost equal to H? Yes, but not exactly, and we are not doing exact here. We are doing the approximation, remember, okay? Don't ask, sir, if base equal to H, then how Pythagoras will be applicable? How we can use the Pythagoras? Because we know in the Pythagoras, B square plus approximately I am saying, okay? Now, if I write here sine theta, then you know sine theta equal to what? Are sine theta equal to perpendicular divided by P by H na? Are P by H na? P by H. One more thing I will ask here, that theta equal to L by R, here theta should be in theta. When we are in theta equal to L by R, arc by radius, theta should be in degree or radian. Theta should be in radian all the time. Clear? Yes. Everyone remember. Very good. If you remembered. Otherwise, what happens? That after 2 classes, people forget what you said. Theta must be in the radian. Whenever I'm writing theta equal to arc by radius, it should be in the radian. So P by H, we can say P is almost equal to what? L. P is almost equal to L. And what are your H? Almost equal to R. So now we can say it is almost equal to, almost, I'm using approximately here. Here what I get? L by R. Now you can say, sir, L by R is something. What is the L by R there? L by R we know. So we can say that we got here sine theta equal to what? Theta. Sine theta equal to theta. Sine theta equal to theta, can I write always? Can I write sine theta equal to theta always? Always? No, only for small angles, and small angles are only up to 10 degree maximum, okay? In rare cases when, okay, you don't have option, you can go for 11, 12, there is no problem, but you will restrict up to 10. What do you say about the 10 theta then? 10 theta. But you remember here this theta should be in degree or radian. Should be in radian. It must be in radian, okay? Don't forget, it must be in radian. What do you say about the 10 theta? You can say, sir, 10 theta equal to what? 10 theta is perpendicular by base. But we know perpendicular is what? L. Base is what? R. So we can say this also becomes 10 theta also equal to theta. 10 theta also equal to theta. So can I say for a small angle, okay? I can write here in this one for a small angle. Sine theta, theta, this is theta. So we can write for a small angle, sine theta equal to 10 theta equal to theta. Don't forget this result for 2 years. If you work hard, then in 2 years, you will get the selection. Otherwise, you have to remember for 3 years or 4 years. I don't want, you have to just for 2 years. Okay. Because we'll use a lot of time. Sine theta, 10 theta are almost same, almost equal to theta, but theta should be in theta should be in radian. Don't forget. Okay. If I say here in this one more thing, you will say now, what about the cos theta? What is the formula of cos theta? Cos theta, I can say. We can take cos. I'm taking cos now. Cos is basically equal to b by h. Now you will say, sir, b is r. That is also r. Almost equal to r by r. Almost equal to r by r means cos theta is what? Almost equal to 1. Always or small angle. Only up to 10 degree. Only up to 10 degree cos is 1 because r by r. So if I ask, what the cos 0 degree? Cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree. 1. Exactly 1. Everyone knows. Have you written this one? This part is over here. Completed. Finished. Can I take next page? Ready? Okay. Now. Add. QR code first. Let me finish. Then we'll do the QR code. Or directly QR code I can give you. What do you want? Can I finish or directly QR code? Then enjoy the. Listen. If I say cos, okay, cos up to 10 degree, we can take always 1. Okay, up to 10. So if I ask what the value of cos 0, tell me the value of cos 0. What the cos 0? Tell me first. 1. If I say cos 1 degree, here I need to convert into how to convert into radian? No, because up to 10 degree we know this value is 1. Cos 2 degree, almost equal to 1. Cos 3 degree, almost 1. You will take 1 freely. You will take 1. Okay. Cos 4 degree, 1. Cos 5 degree, 1. Cos 8 degree, 1. Cos 9 degree, 1. Okay. 1. Up to 10 degree, we can write all the angles are 1. Is there any problem now? So lot of angles we learned that up to 10 degree, if any small angle is coming, then we can say this is going to be how much? 1. Clear? Over? Okay. So this is the thing that we have written here, that cos up to 10 degree is always 1. Sin theta and tan theta we will write in the next class. Clear? In the next class, we'll write about the sin theta and tan theta. Okay. That what will be the value of sin 1 degree? What will be the value of sin 2 degree? What will be the value of sin 3 degree? Sin 4 degree. Okay. Meanwhile, okay, I will check for the assignment why it was not sent and you enjoy. Okay. But whatever I have told here, okay, you will remember that one. I think it is not coming. It is so second. I will check for the assignment. Okay. Yes. And yes, previous slide. I will go here for the previous one. I can go for the previous one. Okay. Yes, you can take the screenshot here. Okay, will be better. Yes, this is your, you can scan and you will get the whatever we have discussed today. You can get on this one if you scan. Okay, clear? Some questions I will send, then you will do practice, and whatever I have told that you will remember those things. Okay, bye, enjoy. And remember the dialogue. You cannot avoid physics. You want to avoid, but you cannot avoid. Yes, bye, 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 bye.